everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connection. Click on Connection, click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to App Library, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Bluetooth and click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. After Clear Cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on General Management. Click on Reset and click on Reset Network Setting. Enter phone pin, click on Continue and click on this Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on Settings app and click on System. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.